Hello, my name is James Teig, and I'm your forensic science or your physical science teacher. Most people call me Coach Teig because I coach cross country and track here at Lambert. This is my 8th year and my 23rd year overall in teaching. As you know, I'm in room 2302, and my email address is listed there. And so if you ever need to contact me, you can email me. And then if you need to ever call me, it's the school phone number followed by 41 and then my room number 2302. Another good way to contact me is through It's Learning because I check that regularly, and I can try to message you back if you ever message me through It's Learning. The syllabus really has most of the information you'll need for either class. So you can check those out. They're in the Unit 0 folders within It's Learning. And if you look at them, they're going to kind of go through what the grading policies are, the general topics that we cover in each class, and it will also go over recovery options. But for the most part, to kind of summarize for both classes, you'll be able to kind of change a quiz grade every unit with your test grade. For example, if you don't do well on a quiz, but you do well on the test, we'll replace that quiz for you. And then you'll have an option to kind of replace one test every semester. You'll have to do it won't just be, hey, I can give you 100. It'll be whatever you do on the midterm grade or the final exam will replace your lowest test score. So those are the main recovery options. If you ever need help, obviously you schedule an appointment with me, but Lunch and Learn is back this year. So is Lasso. So if you ever need to make up tests, make up quizzes, you can do that, or we can try to schedule a time and you can come in before and after school. What you need for class. Generally, as long as you're able to locate your items. Okay, so for example, you didn't finish a lab, you didn't finish a homework assignment, and I ask you to get that stuff out. Just as long as you're able to locate it and it's not crumpled up in the bottom of your book bag, you'll be fine. So if you want to organize your stuff into one binder or several binders, that's up to you. You'll need paper, you'll need pen and pencil, you'll need a calculator for every class. We may not use them every time, but it's better to be prepared, especially on things like quizzes and tests. I can't let you use your cell phone as a calculator. You're going to have your own. Things like scissors and colored pencils and rulers and stuff like that, I will be able to provide you that kind of stuff. Periodically, we may ask parents to bring in supplies, especially in my forensics class where we're in need of maybe plaster or something like that if we're doing something in class. So be on the lookout for emails and It's Learning requests for things like that. But for the most part, they should both be very fun classes. They should not be too difficult. And I hope you're looking forward to a great year as I am.